back to Chef Super Chido. What do we have today? What's that logo say? Krispy Kreme. Everybody loves Krispy Kreme. Well, not everybody, but for the most part, everybody loves Krispy Kreme. So what do we have? What are we having? A double sausage with hash brown and egg Krispy Kreme donut sandwich. Oh my God, that's delicious. It's really delicious, but it's also bad for you. But hey, it's cool to cheat once in a while. So what are we gonna do? Grab our keys, grab our wallet, get in our vehicles, follow all the laws, watch and turn, learn, and don't get burned.
Krispy Kreme, here we come. Go that way. Or straight. Just drive safe and get us there. Go with your balloons.
Watch out.
You don't have balloons. Handicap parking only.
I already got one, but
I'm handicapped.
we need more donuts.
My donuts.
Let me get some donuts. Eee, I love it, the donuts. Time to go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Whew. That was boring, but that's not gonna be boring. So, follow me. Let's go watch and learn. Let's go burn some calories after we eat this too. All right, we're gonna put these little circles in here. You don't have any, that's fine. You don't really need them. I like it because it just leaves them really perfect. So we're gonna put a little butter in here. Then we're gonna put the egg, crack them open, kind of move my finger in there. You don't have to do that. I just like doing that. And then now you're gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes. Once it's been about 5 minutes, you can take these little things off, right? Now, flip them over for about a minute. Now, while all that was being done, we have things in the air fryer. If you don't have one, again, get one. Makes things easier. We have the hash brown and the sausage in there. Once it cools off and it's done, I put the cheese in there, while it's not cooking anymore, and it'll melt on its own. And then I put it on the donut or anything I'm using, a sandwich. That's it.
And we're back. Really, I just wanted to start eating it, but I want you to check this out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. That is so delicious. That is so delicious. I'm about to start eating it right now. I mean, I don't even know how to pick it up, but it's so greasy. Wow, sugar on me. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's no words. This is simple, very simple. I had some patties, hash browns. The only thing I cooked was the eggs. Everything else was in the air fryer. If you don't have one, get one. Makes life easier. So that was just a quick video. The next video I'm gonna do some carne asada, Krispy Kreme donuts. Just playing. With guacamole dip. Yeah, it's very simple. So keeping this one short, it's another treat. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.